Hi everyone, welcome to Shree channel. Today we are going to discuss dipthongs. What is mean by diphthong means is a combination of two vowel sounds and it's moved from one vowel sound to another vowel sound. What is diphthong means? It's a combination of two vowel sounds, not two vowels. It's a combination of two vowel sounds and move from one vowel sounds to another vowel sound. We have 8 diphthongs. Today we learn two diphthongs, OY and OI. The letters OY and OI makes long vowel sound. The both OY and OI makes same sound. See, OY, OI, OI, OI. The sound of OY, OI, OI, OI. These OI and OI makes same sound. Here, I will give some examples. See, OI makes OI. OI sound OI. Both OY and OI makes same sound. Example here, boy, boy, soy, soy, coy, coy, toy, toy, joy, joy. Here OI words. Both OY and OI makes same sound. Example here, boy, boy, soy, soy, coy, coy, toy, toy, joy, joy. Here OI words. Oil, boil, oil, coil, oil, soil, oil, foil, oil, spoil. Next, coin, coin, join, join, voice, voice, choice, choice, and noise, noise. Here OI words mostly seen at the end of the word, whereas OI words seen at the middle of the word. So both OY and OI makes same sound. I hope you like this video. If you like this video, please subscribe my channel and hit the bell icon to get the latest videos. Thank you for watching this video.